In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot eBay shopping app. If you are encountering challenges with your app, maybe the app can't open, it is too slow, or it keeps on crashing, or even some features are not working, then this video will guide you how to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, there are quite a number of methods you can use to fix issues with your app. In the first method, we need to access eBay app info page for our first troubleshooting. To do this, just find your app and then long press on it. Here you should see app info. If you don't see this app info option, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access eBay shopping app info page. From here, first we want to force stop the app to ensure no background activities are running. Then go to clear data down here and choose clear cache. So this will clear any unneeded or files that the app has been collecting that you no longer need, that might have been causing this app to malfunction. At this point, you will need to restart your smartphone and then go open your app and everything should be okay now. However, if you still experience challenges, then again go to the app info page and this time around tap again on clear data and choose clear all data. So for this, you will need to log in afresh because you will be logged out. Now at this point, everything should be okay. However, should you still experience a challenge, then you need to find or search for your app either through Google Play Store or App Store and check if you have an update, then update your app to the latest version. One possibility is that you are facing issues because you are using an outdated version of eBay shopping app that might not be supported. At this point, now everything should be okay. However, if your app still crashes, that is, you try to open and it closes, definitely for that you need to uninstall the app completely from your smartphone, clear your smartphone trash, and then install it afresh. So by doing this will be able to fix bugs that might be associated with your eBay shopping app. So that's how you can fix or troubleshoot your eBay online shopping app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.